be your captain on board today.
I'm Michael Harkins. I'm the captain of the Western Pride out of Davey's Locker here in Newport Beach, California. I've been down here in Newport Beach my entire childhood into my adult life, so I'm pretty much born and raised here. From an early age of 5, 6, 7 years old, I was on the Western Pride fishing, and I just fell in love with the sport. My first full-time job where I was actually getting a paycheck was on the Western Pride back in 2009. Started as a galley cook into being a deckhand, and now over the last 10 years being the full-time operator. My biggest goals as the captain are to run a safe, clean boat that's got a great crew. You're gonna get your rods, your tackle, all that stuff, but we're there to teach you, to show people what our ocean has in store and that fishing is possible for everybody. Double back there. Yes, they're biting. First two guys that came up off the bottom immediately have one. You got a nice one. The most rewarding part of the job for me was watching somebody that's never done it before grab that passion for the first time and teach them the ropes and then watch them catch a fish that they might not ever catch again. My family at home, that's really my drive to be the best captain I can be every single day. I have a beautiful wife and 2 young boys, so when I'm not here on the Western Pride as the captain, I try to soak up as much time as I can with them. And of course, I still fish on my days off. Being a fisherman, it's in your blood. It's always gonna be in my blood. So if there's some good fishing somewhere to be had, I'll be doing that for sure too. Have a safe drive home. We hope to see you guys back again real soon.